Good morning, everyone. So, children, how are you all doing today? I hope all of you are doing well. Now, children, today we are going to learn a new letter. The letter that we are going to learn today is letter W. Okay, so let's learn the sound of W. W says W. W says W. Look at my lips. How am I making it? W. See, I'm making it round. I'm not saying W says B. That's wrong. Okay, so W says W. W for whale. W for watch. W for water. W for wasp. W for watermelon. W for window. W for whistle. W for walrus, and W for wheelbarrow. Okay, children, so today we have learned the letter W, and W says W. W says W. Now, children, I will show you how to write W. Are we ready? Take a look. Children, now let's write the letter W. So I hope you remember when we write the English letters, we write it in the 4 lines. That is the red line, blue line, and red line. Come on, let's write letter W. So, to write letter W, we have to first start from the top red line, make a slanting line down, okay, to the blue line. Then again from the blue line down, we will make another slanting line and go up to the red line. And then again from the red line on top, we will make a slanting line and come down to the blue line. And then again from the blue line, we will go up to the red line. See, can you see we've written W? W says W. What does W say? W says W. Come on, let's write it one more time. Start from the red line, go down to the blue line. Then from the blue line, we come up again, slanting line to the red line. And then from the red line, we make another slanting line down to the blue line. And then from the blue line, again we go up to the red line. Can you see, children? We've written W. W says W. W says W. W for watch. W for watch. Again, start from red line, go down. 1 minute, children. Let's start again. Start from the red line, go down to the blue line, slanting line. Then again from the blue line, we will go up to the red line. Again a slanting line. Then again from red line, we'll come down to blue line, slanting line. And again from the blue line, we will go up to the red line, slanting line. Okay, so this is W. W says W. W for watch. W for walrus. W for water. W says W. Okay, children, I hope you have understood how to write letter W. Children, now I'm going to tell you about the home fun activity. So first, I would like you to open your graded handwriting book. See, take a look at the screen. This is how the book looks. In that, I would like you to open to page number 2929. Dear parents, kindly assist the child in opening the page and also writing the date on the page the way I have written. Thank you, parents. Children, on this page, you can see that the letter W is written. First, the letter W is written. You have to trace it on the dotted lines. After which you have to write W independently on your own. I have already shown you all how to write W. I hope you all have paid attention. Okay, so children, I would like you to complete page number 2929 from the graded handwriting book. Now, let's move to our Little Thinker English. See, this is your book, Little Thinker English. Can you see the book can you see the picture? Okay, so I want you to open to page number 2. On page number 2, I'm reading what it says. It says, it is raining. Trace the raindrops. So can you see on this page, children, these children are standing with umbrellas and it is raining. So what you have to do is you have to just trace on the dots to get the rain. Okay? Again, parents, I would please want you to write the date on page number 2 and page number 3. Now, children, this is page number 3. Now, let me read what it says. Trace the steps of the ladder. Now, can you see under the stool there are sleeping lines? So, you have to again only trace the dots. Okay, children? So, you have 2 home fun activities. You have 1 home fun activity in graded book and you have 2 pages of home fun in your Little Thinker English. Okay, children, please complete your home fun activity and till we meet again, bye children, take care.